biography means writing their own experience, writing about their own life. And this is autobiography of Jesse Owens, who was the Olympic prize winner in 1936. So let me recapitulate the chapter once again in just a brief chapter, and then we'll start with the question answers. And the question answers are quite easy because you need to be write on if while dictating the answers, I'll be giving you few points. Just write it out, and then you can frame your answers. Right now, here in this story, that is Greatest Olympic Prize, Jesse Owens had practiced and sweated and disciplined himself for 6 years to participate in Olympic Prize with a vision that he has to win and he has to prove that the Aryan supremacy story of Adolf Hitler is absolutely wrong, and there are other athletes who can perform much better than him. और ये आर्यन सुप्रीमेसी की वजह से क्या होता है, नेशनलिस्टिक फीलिंग जो होती है, सुपियोरिटी फीलिंग जो होती है उस समय जर्मन सोसाइटी को बहुत ज्यादा होती है. So now he, and then when the final day was to approach of Olympics, a day before they were having a trial. They were all trying their level best there. Already Jesse Owens had made a world record of 26 feet 8.1 and a 1.5 inches, and everybody was expecting him that he is going to win that race. सबकी आंखें उस पे लगी थी कि this now he will be the winner, and somewhere Adolf's supremacy story will be proved wrong. But what happened at that moment when he saw Luz Long, who was a German athlete and was an athlete from the Aryan community, so he was startled. Startled means he was surprised to see his performance during trial, because during performance he was performing so well that he was taking a leap of 26 during trial. So somewhere he was disturbed seeing him that during trials if he's taking 26 feet, so obviously he's going to perform much better than the final day. So, and then what happened when it disturbed him somewhere, so he started making foul. Being a good athlete, somewhere something was eating. मतलब he was bothered about it. कि क्या वो prove कर पाएगा, क्योंकि सब लोगों की जो उम्मीद थी वो उससे थी कि वो ही एक ऐसा एथलीट है जो कि आर्यन सुप्रीमेसी वाली थोड़ी को गलत कर सकता है. So यहाँ पर he was just ठीक है. So now this was the reason, and then he was doing foul, and then he realized that after traveling 3,000 miles from away to Berlin, and this is what he is doing during his straight foul. And all of a sudden, he just gave a, it was very disgustedly gave a hit on the ground that for after 6 years disciplined and training और वो इतना सब करने के लिए और उसकी जो सारी उम्मीदें थी वो सिर्फ इसलिए मतलब कि वो इसलिए यहाँ पे तो नहीं आया है फाउल करने के लिए नहीं आया, वो विन करने के लिए आया है. तो दिस and then all
इतना
of a
बच्चा
sudden he
कहाँ
could
गया?
feel a hand on his shoulders, and that hand was of Laszlo, a German athlete which is from Adolf Hitler. Now Adolf Hitler was called as the Führer. I told you the Führer means the leader. It was a some respect given to Adolf Hitler at that time. So they used to call him as the Führer, means leader. So now he just had a talk to him, and then he asked as a general conversation, and then Laszlo asked him that something is bothering you, something is eating you. But he couldn't tell him that what is bothering him, because he was Laszlo who was bothering him. तो वो उसको ये बात नहीं बता सकता था कि वो उसे देखकर उससे ये चीजें मतलब ये सारी फाउल वो उसको देखकर फ्रस्ट्रेशन में करता है. And then they had a good talk, and when Laszlo made comfortable and assure Jesse Owens that he is a friend, he's a true sportsman person. तो उसने उसको बताया कि यू कैन परफॉर्म बेटर, बस तुम थोड़ा सा जहाँ से ब्रॉड जंप की जो लाइन है वहां से जहाँ से जंप करो उसके 1-2 इंच पहले का टारगेट बना, एंड देन गो फॉर योर लीड. And this is what he did it, and then he could do it much better during the trials, and the next final day he could win with much better performance. But and there when Laszlo, and this gold medal, the winning of the gold medal credit goes all to Laszlo, who was an opponent of a competitor of Jesse Owens. But still they could form a good relationship with them and a long lasting friendship with each other. So this is all about. And then there was the message which is given to by the author is So second message is winning is not important. Important is only participate. When you participate, you meet people, you need to show your truth. होता ना कि हमारी फीलिंग होती है अगर हमारी कोई अगर कोई ऐसा गलत परफॉर्म करता है तो we just avoid it and let him keep on doing so that our winning chances get more and more nearer. So वहाँ लेकिन यहाँ पे the story was entirely different and then they go to former. Not only that day, from that day he found a very good friend of him, which is 24 वो means pure than 24 gold carat और 24 gold carat इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि कहा जाता है कि 24 gold carat is प्योर गोल्ड क्योंकि बहुत सारे गोल्ड में बहुत सारी अदर मेटल्स मिलाकर भी बनता है. So 24 gold means it's a pure gold, means it's a pure friendship. Epitome of love means it's like epitome is a symbol of pure friendship. This is what the story of about Jesse Owens and this is an autobiography of it. Now coming back to, shall we go with the question answers? No, I mean maybe those who have not joined it last time they could have a gist of the story and they can have it. Now shall we proceed for the question answers? I hope everybody is ready with your book and pencil, your workbook. So now let's move to first strike because I wasn't too worried with all this till those gold medal. I hope this is the first strike in your book as well because my book is different from your book. Which games are referred to in the extract above? Who wasn't too worried about them? Which game was referred to in extract above? Shall I come to the group so that you can give the answers? Let me ask the answers from you people because it's a very simple answer and we'll have a good interaction with each other as well. Okay. Kajal. Yes, Kajal. Unmute yourself.
The game mentioned in the above abstract are the Olympic Games which are held at 1932.
The Olympic Games of Berlin are referred here. You can write on a simple language. Sakshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who wasn't too worried about them and why?
Ma'am, Jesse Owens was not.
Yes, Kajal, continue. Sorry, Sakshi. Anyways. Now, which games are referred to in extract above? It is the Olympic Games of Berlin are referred here. The first one. Who wasn't too worried about them? It was Jesse Owens, the American athlete, Jesse Owens. Let's write it down. The Olympic Games of Berlin are referred here. First part. Second part, who wasn't too worried? The American athlete, Jesse Owens, was not worried about them. And why? Because he had trained and disciplined himself for 6 years. I hope everybody done. Moving to the next, why were nationalistic feelings high during these games? Shall I move forward? Why were nationalistic feelings high during these games? Yeah, Anshika, broad jump means long jump. Why were nationalistic feeling? Nationalistic feeling means जब हमारे like Adolf Hitler was there during the time of Adolf Hitler, the people were also very they had a very nationalistic feeling because Adolf Hitler ने उन लोगों को ये बना के रखा था कि they are the superior ones. So automatically when somebody praises you a lot more than required, so there comes an ego of nationalistic. So that is that proud has come in the people, and therefore the nationalistic feeling was high at that time or during Adolf Hitler. So why were nationalistic feeling high during these games? Hitler had been insisting, please write it down, Hitler had been insisting that the Aryan race is superior of all. Hitler had been insisting that Aryan race is superior of all. He strongly felt that his performers would be winners. Hitler had been insisting that the Aryan race is superior. Hitler had been insisting that the Aryan race is superior of all. Full stop. He strongly felt that only his performers could be better or could be winners. Since Hitler supported this theory, the nationalistic feelings were at an all-time high. Devesh needs to say something. Unmute yourself, Devesh.
Please repeat after he strongly felt that.
He strongly felt that his performers could be winners.
His performance?
His performers could be winners. Full stop. Since Hitler supported this theory, the nationalistic feeling were at an all-high time. The nationalistic feeling were at an all-time high. Because Hitler वो support करता था nationalistic feeling को, इसलिए वहाँ पे Aryan supremacy को, इसलिए वहाँ पे nationalistic feelings बहुत ज़्यादा high. Rather, you can say it was heading towards an ego that they are the superior ones. Moving towards the next one. In which event was the speaker expected to win the gold medal and why? This you can do running broad jump. I hope this you can all do it yourself. I'm repeating the answer number 2 again. Hitler had been insisting that the Aryan race is superior of all. Full stop. He strongly felt that only his performers could be winners. Full stop. Since Hitler supported this theory, the nationalistic feelings were at an all-time high. Done, Samar? Now next, moving towards in which event was the speaker expected to win the gold medal? It was running broad jump. Was the event where the speaker was expected to win gold medal. I am giving you the main point. You write on your, you reframe your answer by yourself. And why? Why it was? Because a year before, please turn over your book. It is given before a year. Because a year before he had set world's record of 26 feet 8 1/4 inches. उसने खुद का अपना एक रिकॉर्ड बनाया था, which was a world record. Turn over your book. It's written in your book. Second paragraph, last second line. I did set the world's record of 26 feet 8 1/4 inches. Everyone kind of expected me to win the Olympic even hands down. ठीक है, so this is the answer because a year before he had set world record of 26.81 by 4 inches. Hence, he as well as everyone expected the same, expected to win the gold medal in the Olympic Games. Shall I move forward? Manu has to ask something. Okay. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you were late.
Sorry, Manu, I am not getting your voice clearly. There is a breakage of your voice. Repeat once again.
Ma'am, which answer were you telling?
I was going with the question 3. In which event was the speaker expected to win the gold medal and why?
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer once again?
It is running broad jump. तो सिंपल है कि कौन से इवेंट में उसको ये सब लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि वो विन करेगा. इट इज running broad jump. और why everybody was expecting him to win a medal? Because he already set a world record of 26.81 and by 4 inches. तो उससे खुद ही अपना एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया था 26 फीट का, 26 फीट 8 1 by 4 इंचेस का. उसने अपने आप में ही वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया था. इसलिए एवरीबडी एंड ही हिमसेल्फ was confident that he is going to win a gold medal in the Olympic Games. Sorry. Anyone else?
Yeah.
Shall I move forward? हो गया, मनु?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Now, moving towards the next. The next question is, when the speaker went for his trials, he was startled to see somebody. Whom did he see? Why he startled on seeing him? Yes, there are 3 hands again. 4, 5. Arya. Oh, sorry, Kajal. I've already asked. जिसे पूछ चुकी हूँ उससे नहीं. Somebody else from the group. Let me go. Aditya Mishra, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. He was startled by seeing Lux Long, the German athlete.
Yes, he was startled to see German athlete Luz Long. And then next, whom did he see? Why was he startled on seeing him? Sakshi, why was he startled to?
Ma'am, he was startled to see him because the German athlete hit the pit of almost 26 feet in his practice leap.
Yes, very good. He was startled because a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice leap. मतलब practice में trial में ही वो 26 feet cover कर रहा था. तो मतलब already जेसी ओवेंस का जो जेसी ओवेंस का जो अपना वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड वो 26 feet 8 1 by 4 inches का था. और Luz Long being a German athlete वो अपने ट्रायल पे कितना ले रहा था? 26 feet वो कवर कर रहा था. तो obviously he is going to perform much better and far more better than what he is practicing. So he was just startled to see. Okay. So this answer is clear to everyone? Manu, do you need to ask something? Okay. No. Okay, shall we move towards the next question? When the speaker went for his trial, he was, this is done. What did Owens do to succeed in qualifying for the finals of the competition? Who was responsible for his success? What did Owens do to succeed in qualifying for the finals of the competition? क्या किया था उसने? What was his effort to win that gold medal? What was his effort? Somebody else? Niku. यही 2-4 हैं जो कि आगे आते हैं. Otherwise, so all them just see themselves mute. Yes, Niku.
Jesse Owens draw a line a few inches in back of the board and aimed at making his takeoff from there.
Niku, this is done when Luz Long but उसका अपना क्या effort था? ये तो effort था Luz Long का. As a good friend, as a true sportsman, he gave an idea to take a inch back and then go for a takeoff ना. लेकिन उसका अपना क्या था? What was his own Bhumi? Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, Owens trained himself and practiced hard for 6 years in order to succeed in the competition.
Yes, Owens trained, sweated, and disciplined himself for 6 years. This was his effort, which he was practicing to win the Olympic prize. So, Owens trained, sweated, and disciplined himself for 6 years with only focus on the Olympic Games. And who was responsible for his success? Indu. Great. Yes, Indu. Unmute yourself.
Laz Long was responsible for his success.
Yes, Laslong was responsible. How? How Laslong was responsible for his success? Hindu, unmute yourself. I was asking you.
Ma'am, because he motivated Jesse Owens.
Does he motivated him? Kushi. Yes, Kushi. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, because he gave an idea to him that draw a line few inches before
Yes.
and then jump.
Yes. He did not motivate it. Actually, he just made him realize what sort of trick he could make to win a medal. Okay, or to give a good effort in the broad jump. Good. So, what did Owens do to succeed in qualifying for the finals of the competition? That is, Owens trained, sweated, and disciplined himself for 6 years with only focus on the Olympic Games. And then, who was responsible for his success? It was Laslong, the German athlete, was responsible for his. Manu, still your hands are up. Do you need to ask something? Okay. Now, extract second. Shall we proceed with second extract? A little hot under the collar about Hitler's ways. Still, who wasn't? Who is the speaker of the above lines? ये किसने बोला था? Little hot under the collar about Hitler's way. Determined to go out there and really show the Führer and his master race who was and who wasn't. This means who was the speaker of this line? Who said these lines? Yes, Devesh. Unmute yourself, Devesh.
Ma'am, he was Jesse Owens.
Yes, he was Jesse Owens who made these lines. A little hot under the collar means उसको कहीं ना कहीं big गुस्सा रहा. This is a phrase you can use to show the anger. ठीक है? A little hot under the collar means it's a kind of a phrase which is used to show your anger or somebody's anger. ठीक है? Okay. Who was the speaker? Jesse Owens, speaker of the above line. What was the speaker preoccupied with? What was the speaker preoccupied with? Khyati. Khyati, just unmute yourself. Give me the second
Ma'am,
part
what is
of
the meaning of preoccupied?
preoccupied. पहले से उसके दिमाग में क्या था? हम पहले से जैसे हम अगर किसी से मिलने जा रहे हैं, suppose I am going to meet somebody and I am already preoccupied with the thoughts. आपके दिमाग में पहले ही से उसके बारे में बना हुआ वो बता दिया कि ऐसा है, वो वैसा है, वो वैसा है, वो वैसा, तो आप ऑलरेडी अपने you are preoccupied with the thoughts. आप उसको उसी एंगल से देखेंगे. अगर किसी ने उसकी बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ की हुई कि he used to sing flawlessly, used to dance flawlessly and all, so your thoughts are already preoccupied. तो पहले से ही सोच के और समझ के बैठे हुए उसके बारे में. And when you meet somebody who you don't know, then it is not done. It's already you are free of your thoughts. जो वो present करेगा वही आप देखेंगे. Okay. I asked somebody and okay, Anshika. चलो बताओ.
The speaker was preoccupied with the thought that he has to prove the Hitler's theory wrong.
Yes, he had preoccupied with the thought about that he has to prove Hitler's theory of Aryan superiority as wrong. ठीक है, write it down this answer. The speaker preoccupied with the thought that he has to win the medal. पहली thought उसके दिमाग में ये थी पहले से ही कि उसे win करना ही करना है. और क्यों करना है? तो क्योंकि he has to prove Hitler's theory of Aryan superiority as wrong. इसलिए उसे ये अपने आप को prove करना ही. I'm repeating it again. Who is the speaker of the above line? Jesse Owens is the speaker of the above line. What was the speaker preoccupied with? The speaker preoccupied with the thought that he has to win the medal. and prove Hitler's theory of Aryan superiority as wrong. Heading towards the next question. Where was the speaker determined to go? What did he intend to do? The speaker was determined to go. 6 साल तक कहाँ जाने के लिए
To the Olympic Games.
He was wanted to participate in the Olympic Games. And why? Why he wanted
Because
to
he has to
participate?
prove Aryan superiority wrong.
देखो पहले उसका मन था कि वो गोल्ड मेडल जीतेगा. जब तक वो गोल्ड मेडल नहीं जीतेगा वो आर्यन सुपीरियरिटी को थ्योरी को रॉन्ग नहीं कर सकता. तो योर इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड इज टू दैट यू आर राइट दैट ही हैज एन प्रीऑक्यूपाइड कि उसे जीतना है और आर्यन सुप्रीमेसी की इस थ्योरी को गलत साबित करनी. तो उसके दिमाग दो थॉट्स थे कि मुझे जीतना ही जीतना है. और क्यों जीतना है? इसलिए जीतना है क्योंकि उससे जीत से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था एडोल्फ हिटलर की इस थ्योरी को रॉन्ग करना. ठीक है. So these two lines are very important. That already he wanted to win a gold medal for himself. That is a different part. But वो सबसे ज़्यादा उसके दिमाग में इसलिए था gold medal जीतना क्योंकि he wanted to prove Aryan superiority as wrong theory. ठीक है. So you are right. He intended to show Hitler that his theory of master race could be flouted or could be wrong. Okay. So I'm repeating the answers again. Or will you able to write it by yourself? The speaker determined to go to the Olympics Games to win a gold medal. And why did he intended to do? Because he intended to show Hitler that his theory of master race is wrong. Okay, moving towards the next question. How did the speaker perform during his trials? If my voice is not clear, Shaista, it must be the network issue.
Were not good.
तुम अपने को अनम्यूट करो तो पहले. देवेश, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, he performed very unexpectedly during his trials because and he had also fouled in his first 2 trials.
No, तो you will not write he or performed unexpectedly. Unexpectedly मतलब उम्मीद ना करना. ठीक है.
Ma'am, very badly during his trials.
हाँ, बस you'll kept on making fouls and mistakes. This is the perfect answer. That you have to write it down. How did the speaker perform during his trials? He kept on making fouls and mistakes. And why this? Give reason for unexpected performance. क्यों ऐसा unexpected performance था उसके पास? मतलब जहाँ उसने एक world record, he has made a world record of 26 feet 8 1 by 4 inches. And then why this? During his trial, after a day there was Olympic Games, and during his trials he was not performing well. He was continuously making foul and he was making mistakes. And what is the reason behind making mistakes? ऐसी इसका reason क्या हो सकता है? What is the reason? I mean somebody else. वो 3-4 लोग. The rest are all, I don't know why. They're all quiet. Give the meaning of. This is the same question in your book as well. Okay. Hot under the collar means to be very angry. The Führer means leader. The Führer was a political title given to Adolf Hitler. Hot under the collar means to be very angry, and leader, and the Führer means leader. The Führer was a political title given to Adolf Hitler. Moving towards, did I come 3,000 miles for this? I thought bitterly to foul out of trials and make a fool of myself. Is this the same extract in your book as well?
Yes.
Okay, what made the speaker of the extract bitter? Why was he making fouls?
And because he was
Did I come 3,000? Please look at the extract. Did I come 3,000 miles for this? I thought bitterly. What made him bitter? The extract. What made the speaker of the extract bitter? And why was he making fouls? Devesh, mute yourself. Ashita?
The speaker was bitter because he was continuously committing the foul.
Yes. And why was he committing fouls? Why was he making fouls?
It was because his mind was preoccupied with the thoughts of nervousness and he was angry too.
Yes. Because his thought was preoccupied with anger and nervousness. Okay. So what made the speaker of the strike bitter? The continuous foul made the speaker in each attempt made him bitter. हर attempt में जब भी वो trial attempt कर रहा था तो he was making fouls and mistakes. So this made him bitter. Then he gave a thought to himself that did he come 3,000 miles away from his place to Berlin for this only, to make fouls, to commit mistakes. And then the reason for his fouls were is already his mind was preoccupied with a thought of anger and nervousness. Okay, moving towards the next question. How did the speaker react to his slower performance? How did his anger vanish? How did speaker react to his poor performance? How was How did speaker react to his poor performance? Okay, so many questions are there. Chalo. Let me ask somebody else. बाकी तो सब लग रहा है मौन व्रत लेकर बैठे हैं यहाँ पर ग्रुप में. आयुष? Let me ask Ayush. Ayush Nagvanshia. Unmute yourself. See, they are all Mon Vratharan people. Sawan is over now. Manu. Manu, unmute yourself, please.
How did the speaker, ma'am, the speaker reacted very angrily to his poor performance because it was in his mind that he has to prove the Aryan supremacy as wrong, and his anger vanished. His anger vanished by the because last a German athlete has came and given him idea that how can he get success.
Yes. Your answer is absolutely correct, Manu, but it's too lengthy, so you have to be limited your answers. Okay, good. Good work. How did speaker react to his performance? He was disgustfully hit the ground. Right? He disgustedly at the dirt. He gave a kick. He was very totally disgusted with his performance. वो खुद अपने performance को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो रहा था कि मतलब he was giving a disgust hit for his performance. So you can write down why, because he had trained and disciplined and sweated himself for last 6 years just to win a gold medal. Okay. And how did his anger vanish? His anger vanished when Lazlong came and helped him, suggested him and comforted him. So this is Lazlong, when Lazlong came and just had a conversation and made him assure, and then a surety of that, though he was a competitor of Jesse Owens, still he had the spirit of true sportsmanship. He showed that he had a true sportsmanship with Jesse Owens. So he helped, suggested and comforted. So this is all, and due to the comfort given by Lazlong, the German athlete, his all anger vanished. Okay, shall we proceed further? Yashita, you want to ask something? No. Devesh, do you want to ask something? Manu, mute yourself. Devesh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please repeat the last part.
Last part, which the second, how did his anger vanish? When Lazlong came to him and helped him, suggested him and comforted him, his anger vanished. Unmute yourself, Devesh. This is what you want?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Chalo, mute yourself. Okay, just briefly describe the appearance and accent of the man who comforted and guided the speaker. This you can go with your book to Meenakshi Maurya. चलो बताओ अच्छा. It's already 52. बताओ.
Long had a lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair, and a strikingly handsome, chiseled face.
Yes. This all description is given in the on the page number 105, where his description has been given about, that is second last paragraph, last 3 lines. He had a lean muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair, and a strikingly handsome, chiseled face. This was the description and appearance and accent of the man who comforted and guided the speaker. It was Luzlong. Luzlong was an inch taller than Jesse Owens. He had a lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair, and a face with a handsome cut. You can write down if you want to change the language. You don't want to go with the book language. You can change your own language. Yes, Devesh, you want to ask something? Yeah, hands are up. Your hand is up.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, lower then. Manu, you also. Now coming to the next. The speaker was told that something must be eating him. Who said this and why? This is a very simple answer. Oh, so many hands. Okay, Sakiba. Kajal. चलो बताओ काजल.
It was said by Lord Long, who was a German athlete. He said the above lines in order to comfort Jesse Owens.
Why he wanted to comfort Jesse Owens? While
Ma'am, can I tell?
speak.
Ma'am, Luz Long has seen that Jesse Owens has already made a world record of 26 feet and 8 inches. So he
Yeah.
think that in practices he is doing so well. So in trials he can also do much better.
Your answer is absolutely correct, but somewhere there is a fault. During the trials, then Luzlong has know that he had made a world record, and during trials is making of fouls and mistakes. So there must be something wrong. Okay, good. So lie down. The speaker was told that something must be eating him. Who said and this and why? This is being said by the German athlete Luzlong to Jesse Owens, because he saw that Jesse was too good in playing, or was too good and made a world record of 26.8 and 1 by 4 inches, and though he was still making fouls and mistakes during his practice. So this is the reason he came and asked and tried to comfort him. Okay. Shall we move for how to unmute? There is a you just click on the your participant group. वहाँ पे तुम्हें खुद ही आएगा. You click in front of your name. नहीं आ पाएगा. Okay, what was the advice given to the speaker to qualify for the finals? Did it prove successful? What does it reveal about the person who advised the speaker? I hope so. This answer you can all write by yourself. चलो Niku
Yes,
बताओ.
ma'am.
Niku want to answer? चलो Niku बताओ. Unmute yourself, Niku. Niku, come on. What was the advice given to the speaker to qualify for the finals?
The advice was given by Luz Long to draw a few lines, to draw a line a few inches in back of the board and aim at making his takeoff from there.
Yes, he advised him to just draw a line a few inches back of the board from where he has to take a leap. वहाँ से 1 inch पीछे he has to draw a margin so that from there he could take a leap to perform better during the finals. Yes, and then next, somebody else is next. Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, let me ask Aditya. Manu, you have already answered. Aditya Mishra. Aditya Mishra? Yes, बताओ उसके आगे का आंसर बताओ. Did it prove successful?
Yes, ma'am. He proved it successful as he was able to qualify for the finals. And
He was able to qualify the finals, so he is able to win a gold medal. What does it reveal about the person who advises the speaker?
that he is not a typical Aryan Subramanian theory to a personal.
No. Laszlo, the German athlete, being the competitor of Jesse Owens, he gave him an advice to take a leap of, means he gave a very important advice which made him successful during the Olympic main day. So what? तो अगर हम किसी के opponent होते हैं, still we gave him a good suggestion for winning. Though I am a competitor of somebody, what kind of